is up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to yet another 370Z video. And this actually starts the year one mod list review series. I will be reviewing all of the mods that I've installed from 2020 to 2021 and see how well they held for the first year. So on this video, we're going to be talking about the wheels and tire setup of the Z, and I'm currently running on Konig Dekagrams semi-gloss black staggered setup. So that means I have 18 by 9.5 plus 25 on the front, and on the rear I have 18 by 10.5 plus 18. My ideal setup was 9.5 plus 22 on the front and 10.5 plus 12 on the rear. As you can see, they're kind of close. That's what I was trying to achieve. Apparently in the forums, that is the best setup for this car. I got these during COVID, and the availability of certain wheels weren't that easy to get. So I got these Konig Dekagrams, and they're beautiful. They're 10-spoke wheels. They look a little concave-ish, and they actually support bigger brakes. So in the future, when I upgrade my base brakes into Brembos or Akabonos, I'm hoping that it would fit. They are actually flow formed or rotary forged wheels. That means they are lighter and strong. And I knew for a fact when I was getting them, I wanted an inch wider than the OEM. So these wheels look really good. They look low-key and they are trackable. I wanted to autocross them last year, but I didn't get the chance to, unfortunately, because of COVID restrictions, and my schedule just wasn't lining up. So let's talk about my tire setup. My Dekagrams are wrapped with Firestone Firehawk Indy 500. They kind of resembled Bridgestone Potenza RE3, I believe. I think that they are the same company, just branded differently on other places. So my fronts are 245/45, and then my rear are 275/40. How are they on wet? They actually handle pretty well. It was raining hard that one time, and I was, driving from work, and I had to drive 110 kilometers an hour. There were a few puddles in the road, and it did really well. Indy 500 is more favorable over, the Potenzas. So on dry, they're great. On wet, they're good. Not planning to run this on snow, so they're not really meant for snow. One thing I love about, these tires is that they look good. So those grooves in these Indy 500, they actually serve a purpose. They channel out the water away from the tires so you avoid hydroplaning, which is really nice because I daily drive this to and from work, and I have to run more than 100 kilometers an hour. If it rains, I would have been just like, no, I'm not gonna go anywhere. But they did good, so good job. The Indy 500 looks good, and they're really quiet. They can take a little bit of abuse. The shoulder of the tires are really thick, and they're reinforced. That means they're stiff and they're rugged. That means cornering, these tires, it's a breeze. One thing I could have done better was to add more sidewall to it, because 2 weeks after getting these, wheel and tire setup, I did not calculate the distance from the wheels to the curb, and I curbed my passenger side. Well, not too bad, it's semi-gloss black, so you can totally hide that, but still. So after 12,000 kilometers of driving this, there hasn't been any complaints so far. At the end of the day, my wheels and tire setup cost me about $2,400. So if you like this video, guys, and if you find it informative or helpful, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see more 370Z videos like these, my reviews, my installation, go ahead down there and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I'm going to be releasing those said videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.